All right, friends, welcome to another unboxing. So in this video, I am checking out this 10-piece pencil Carpenter pencil set. There's like 10 pencils with an eraser, razor knife for a utility knife. Very sharp, be careful with that. This the blade is in and out though, and it can be replaced. You can break off pieces of the blade once it gets dull. Really sharp, so be careful, obviously. And then we have our pencil sharpener. So let's check this out here. So construction pencils are usually a little bit more sturdy than other ones. It comes with a little measuring thing on the back. Nice decoration, but the nice thing about this that they're like not round, so you set them on the ground next and they're not going to roll off somewhere, so that's pretty cool. And then you can just sharpen them in like this thing. So this is nice. It has like this actual little design there, so you can put your pencil in there and turn it and it's not going to be too weird. So let's just sharpen this up here real quick. And here we go, getting into the lead there. Or the graphite. Okay. Again, it doesn't have to be anything super sharp. I mean, don't have to be like really pointed here. All right, let's just do a little bit more here. I want to get that little bit of wood off of the, back it off a little bit. Okay. Well, it looks like it still has a little bit on there, on the edges there. So we can just take our little razor here and just shave that off if we need to. This works really well too. It's just super sharp. And I don't think it's really necessary. It should still draw well anyway, so let's try it out. You can put on wood, on paper. It makes a nice, nice good line there with this box here or whatever. And you can make these a little broader if you want to, and then once it dulls down, you can just do that. But these are a little bit more sturdy than other pencils. As far as like with like a pen or something like that, sometimes you try to draw on different materials with a pen, it doesn't really work. So this pencils, they're really pretty good at just marking just about anything. I can mark my desk here, even you can see that, I don't know. And you just, it comes with this little eraser, so I can erase that as well. So pretty handy here if you are into construction or, you know, just a little handyman or something like that. It even has like a little thing here on the edge. I'm not exactly sure what that is for. I think you could just use that to scrape away that wood too if you wanted, but it's got like a little, some kind of little like a stone there or something on there. It's interesting. All right, my friends, well, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.